Hello dear learners, this is Dr. N Waghmare and I would like to welcome you on this video on motivation. Motivation is the source of energy. Motivation inspires you to achieve your goal. The learning outcome of this session is, at the end of this session, students will be able to understand the importance of motivation in their personal and professional life. Motivation is the art of getting people to do what you want them to do because they want to do it. Motivation is a fire from within. If someone else tries to light that fire under you, chances are it will burn very briefly. Motivation stops asking questions and aligns you to work towards your goals. Goals are the stepping stones toward your dreams. So, in order to achieve them, you need to motivation to keep you changing along towards them. Not everyone is born with motivation. There is a severe lack in some who believe I will get to that one day, or the timing isn't right, or a classic case of I can't do that. Motivation is the defining factor that turns a good thought into immediate action. Let us learn what is a motivation. Motivation is the process that initiates, guides, and maintains goal-oriented behaviors. It is what causes you to act, whether it is getting a glass of water to reduce thirst or reading a book to gain knowledge. Motivation involves the biological, emotional, social, and cognitive forces that activate behavior. In everyday uses, the term motivation is frequently used to describe why a person does something. It is the driving force behind human actions. Be so busy improving yourself that you have no time to criticize others. Without motivation, you can't achieve anything. There are no goalposts to aim for and no purpose to strive towards. Motivation is an important life skill. The reason it's important is because every person on this earth is unique and has a purpose. To steward your purpose well, you have to be motivated to work towards your goals, which helps your dreams become a reality. Motivation clarifies goal. When you are motivated, you have a desire to change your life. Motivation pushes you towards your goal because of a desire for change. Motivation helps you clarify your goal so you know exactly what you are working towards. Motivation sets priorities in life. Once you know what your goal is, motivation helps you prioritize your life. If your goal is to write a book, you need to set time aside each week to write it. Motivation helps you to focus and make a commitment to seeing your goal accomplished. Motivation pushes through setbacks. Every road to success will have a setback. There is no such thing as a dream route to reach your dreams. Setbacks will have you doubt whether your goal is worth the effort, but motivation steps in and gives you the strength and courage to try again. Motivation teaches perseverance. This ties in with the previous point, but motivation helps you strive through setbacks, trials, and fears. Thomas Edison is known for the invention of the light bulb and is noted for this quote that, I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. The famous inventor also inspired this thought. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. So don't give up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Motivation will teach you to persevere when reality tells you to give up. Motivation will help you to fight against fear. Fear of failure is so common, it can literally stop you from taking action. Motivation kicks fear in the butt because it tells it, no matter what I am feeling, I am going to do it anyway. Motivated people see beyond their fear and they can visualize the outcome. Motivation will always help you see the bigger picture. Motivation will help to build self-confidence. When you are motivated to achieve your goal, confidence is a byproduct of the little steps taken to see that goal achieved. When you have pushed through setbacks and fear, there is a sense of accomplishment, and this builds an inner confidence to try something new. Motivated people will have a few projects on the go because they have pushed through barriers and seen positive results, which gives them motivation to start new projects and try new things. Motivation attracts your tribe. If you are ever met a motivated person, their vibe can be alluring and inspiring. You want to align with their energy so you can draw from their expertise. In turn, this helps build your motivation to succeed. The same can be said of a business manager. If you require a team to help you achieve your dream, a good leader will know how to use their motivation to pioneer a spirit to drive and desire within the team to see results. Motivation inspires others. Motivation is an attractive trait and it can inspire others to make things happen in their own life. If you have ever met or hung out with a self-motivated person, you instantly feel like you can achieve anything because their positivity and can-do attitude elevates your own spirit. Seeking out a motivated person can help elevate your own motivation helps. Motivation is a muscle that needs to be constantly worked, and this can be achieved by reading biographies, enrolling in training, and listening to motivational speakers who can share their own success while building you up. Motivation can get you through hard times. When things are going well, it's not too difficult to stay motivated. When things get harder, however, it's easier to lose sight of the finish line. The stress of your situation can overwhelm you and make you feel like you are failing. Intentionally thinking about what motivates you is a great way to stay afloat. You can own your feelings, but still remember that you are capable of getting through this time. Your motivations compel you to keep trying. Motivation is an essential skill for good leadership. Leaders have a lot of responsibilities, but one of the most important one is to motivate their team members. If a team isn't motivated, their work will suffer. The leader needs to rally everyone, provide encouragement, and keep them motivated through good times and bad. Leaders need to study the best ways to motivate a group and avoid strategies that aren't as effective. Motivation, stimulus and responses. Respond to an external stimulus. Obtain a conditioned positive response. Avoid a continued negative response. Social. Achieve or maintain social affiliation. Achieve or maintain social acceptance. Achieve or maintain a sense of social belonging. Biological motivation. Activate the senses such as taste, touch, smell, etc. Decrease hunger, thirst, discomfort, etc. Cognitive sources of motivation. Maintain attention to something interesting or threatening. Develop meaning or understanding. Solve a problem or figure something out. Make a decision. Affective factors of motivation. Increase feeling good. Decrease feeling bad. Increase security or decrease threats to security. Cognitive factors of motivation. Meet personally identified goal. Obtain personal achievement. Develop or maintain self-efficacy. And the spiritual motivation. Increase understanding of purpose of one's life. Connect self to ultimate unknown. Appreciate self in relation to the universe. Motivation is a magic. With a motivation, you can change the world. If you are not motivated, then definitely you cannot contribute your 100%. Then, try to understand the magic of motivation. I hope that this video will help you to understand what is the importance of motivation in your life. Then, be motivated, be active, and achieve your goal. These are the references. Thank you.